were you supporting?
CSK,
But they lost yet again at Chepauk.
everyone knows.
Do you see CSK's comeback in the next season maybe?
Don't know?
Will you switch the side and start supporting any other team?
No way.
Is this the worst of CSK that you have ever witnessed?
No, not a worst. Don't say worst. This year is not cheer up. Maybe the next year will be strong.
You know, it's a good game, but then I think the last, once Dhoni got over, the players didn't play really well. That was the only thing I feel was the toughest thing from the batting side.
9 matches have been played. In that, only 2 have been won, and another are just left, just lost only.
Well, I had seen 2020 as well. I had seen all the matches live in 22 as well. But yeah, we can say that 24 was way below our expectations, the performance wise.
This season is totally gone. हमारी यही दुआ है कि may the best team win. और जब next year के लिए अगर CSK एक अच्छी सी टीम बन जाए तो यहाँ पर जो 5 स्टार है, 6 स्टार अगर अगले साल में 2026 में लग जाता है, इससे हमको बहुत संतुष्टि है.
இந்த இயர் நம்ம கண்டிப்பா வின் பண்ணுவோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் திரும்பி சென்னை கம்பேக் கொடுப்பாங்க. CSK is always CSK.
Thank you.
Lion is always lion.
The team has got better. The team has got better. It has a lot of improvisation. I think next year we'll come back stronger.
ओनली लास्ट 2 ओवर्स थोड़े जो एक साथ वो 3-4 विकेट गिर गए, नहीं तो अच्छा मैच था.
श्रेयस अय्यर का नॉक एंजॉय किया आपने?
वो तो करंट डेट का बेस्ट इंडियन बैट्समैन है.
बात तो सही है.
Do you think Sam Curran played one of the best innings of IPL 2025 for Chennai Super Kings?
Certainly one of the most clean ball strikers I've ever seen tonight. He's unbelievable.
Actually, he was in the form of in IL T20 was batting well, but he was not clicking well in the IPL. But today he clicked well.
And it's her first match also on watching live in a stadium, so it was a special one for her.
I mean, I'm sure she is proving to be lady luck for Punjab Kings.
Of course, yeah, why not?
Yeah, okay, but sir, on the other hand, you might be happy for your wife, but not happy for your team.
Well, whether win or lose, it's a game, right? Someone should win, someone should lose, but always CSK supporter.
Always.
Always.
Even if Dhoni leaves.
Not a problem. If not Dhoni, someone else will come in his place. It's about the game, not the players for me.
You are a die-hard fan of Punjab, I
Yeah,
must
yeah,
say.
yeah, yes.
Yeah, that is brilliant.
Same day in April 30, 2023, we won here. Next year, May 2nd, 2024, we won here. Now, April 30, the same 2023, we won here. This is a hat-trick.
ये छोटी छोटी बातें पकड़ने लग गया छोटू.
What about Yuzvendra Chahal's hat-trick?
Exactly, amazing, right? Even though our opponent, but then we've given the chance for him to score a hat trick, which is still a good thing.
लुधियाने से स्पेशल आए, मतलब पैसे वसूल हो गए, टिकट के भी, मैच टिकट, फ्लाइट टिकट सबके.
Always peace, Shreyas Iyer. Always Shreyas Iyer.
एंड चहल भी, मतलब हैट्रिक 2 साल बाद लाइव आपको स्टेडियम में देखने को मिली.
देखिए सर, मतलब लास्ट 18th ओवर में प्लेयर मारने जाता है तो ये हैट्रिक इट्स नॉट काउंटेड
Okay?
इन माय बुक्स.
मैं नहीं मानता.
पथिराना.
Patirana should improve his bowling, I think, and mainly Yorker.
Patirana is a bit lagging today or in this season. He doesn't keep up to that level. Just like one bad season for Patirana. He's the one who made us won the cup for 4 years to 2023. So this one bad form doesn't mean he's not in the form not only in IPL before coming to IPL also.
Just one bad season. Doesn't care. He'll improvise. That's it. We have to give chances to people.
Very cute little baby over here. Such a cute boy.
हेलो.
सर, यहाँ से तो प्लेऑफ्स का एकदम खत्म हो चुका है. अब आप क्या चाहेंगे, किस टीम की पार्टी स्पॉइल करना चाहिए चेन्नई को?
Actually, I thought like today they're gonna spoil things on Punjab thing. Maybe they'll spoil some other game. I'm hoping for the Bangalore match and RCB's thing.
पार्टी स्पॉइल तो आई थिंक सो अभी चेन्नई किसकी कर सकती है? मुंबई की.
आरसीबी के अगेंस्ट भी अगला मैच है.
आरसीबी विराट कोहली के लिए सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर है.
Came to see this match. What will happen in 3rd May? Yeah, waiting for that day. They are in very good form. Please ask them to come like this form. We will give better lose to them.
मगर सिर्फ यही की चीज है कि या तो विन है या तो लर्न है.
Chinnaswamy is batting paradise, so I'm hoping that we beat RCB.
The last one match against RCB, if they win, they're more than enough. Not the cup matches.
आज जो हो गया एक भूल चूक माफ समझ के. Our eyes are on beating RCB, which is the most important game when it comes to IPL. एक होता है एल क्लासिको CSK MI, एक होता है CSK RCB. We want our team to go there and win for pride.
Will you be happy if RCB beat CSK?
No.
No?
Nah, never.
Okay, so which team are you rooting for from now in IPL because CSK is out of the playoffs?
GT और DC.
किस टीम की पार्टी स्पॉइल करना चाहेंगे प्लेऑफ्स में? चेन्नई.
राजस्थान रॉयल की करना चाहेंगे क्योंकि आई वांट टू सी द ओल्डेस्ट प्लेयर 43 इयर्स MS धोनी वर्सेस वैभव सूर्यवंशी 14 साल का जो यहाँ पे खेलने वाला 12 मई को.
తొత్తాలం జైచాలం మీసే మురికి, you know that word? Win or loss, no problem, we are support Dhoni.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you so much, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
For more such videos, check out ourcricket.com YouTube page.